The next time you log in to do your grades in SIS, there will be a new button to get grades from Canvas. When you click the button, the first thing that will happen is a screen will pop up and ask you to connect to Canvas. When you click that, you'll be taken to an authorization screen where you click the Authorize button. As it says, you can then close that tab and the window will reload and show you the view of your grades in the course in question. If this is not the right course, or if you've cross-listed your courses, you may need to use the My Other Courses button to find the right section. If you haven't set the course settings, you can click the link to set those. So here you can set the grade schema, which is one of your course settings. It's just a checkbox, which you hit, and then if you wish to set a particular schema, you can choose that, but there is a default one. And once you've done that, you just update the course details. And again, you can close the tab that was opened for this screen, and you can see it's reloaded with the grades. It has both the current grade and the final grade, and you have the choice to copy either the current grades or the final grades to SIS. So you make your choice and it copies the grades over. If it can't find a match, then it doesn't do anything, it just leaves it blank. And then you have the option to save. You can save the grades, but any grades that are not done will be prompted for you to fill in and do your grades as normal.